Hello everyone. Ududuzile Zuma, the daughter of the great Msholozi, Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, the former president of South Africa, one of the most loved politicians. Duduzile has always been vocal about where she stands with the ANC, and Mogel will say anything to protect her father and her family. The Zuma family has always been dragged by media. Duduzile drags anyone who comes for her family or anybody who comes for her. The girl is keeping the Twitter street on fire. So now it all started when the girl who goes by the name of Sizophila Mkhize threw a shade to Duduzile and tweeted, "But Duduzile must know and understand that we don't owe her anything, but we owe our being to the ANC. It must be nice not being an activist, not knowing how difficult it is to work for this movement each and every day, risking it all for the ANC. Sesijwayelana kabi." Duduzile was really ready for a war. She then responded and wrote, "You are not an activist, you are a political P who sleeps with the comrades for positions, and once they ejaculate in you, their nonsensical ideas grow inside you. Do you know the father of your kids are? Yo, such violence, Dudu." Sizophila also responded and said, "Oh baby, you must know very well about sleeping with leadership, hey? We know you, you know. But because we aren't discussing bedroom politics, but real politics, the ANC is more than Dube, Sisulu, Tambo, Mandela and all other leaders. Ngeke sizwe ngawe." Many trips called out Duduzile and said she was very wrong to say that. She's very old to be attacking another woman like that. One wrote, "Aibo Sisi, never involve kids when debating. You are so disgusting and horrible." Others defended Duduzile. She has a ride or die fence. That was very low of Duduzile. To go as far as calling another woman a P, she could have said anything, but not this. It's humiliating. She wasn't supposed to involve kids also. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.